What starts as a simple shoplifting case at 2 a.m. is about to become a harsh lesson in interstate law. An 18-year-old who just wanted to escape her grandparents' cold house is about to discover that one moment of poor judgment can change everything. Watch as this cooperative family learns that being from out of state means there's no way out of jail time, no matter how minor the crime or how remorseful you are. This bodycam footage shows exactly why location matters more than good behavior when it comes to the law. You won't believe how this escalates.
Well, hello. Hello. You should be. Hello. Hi. Hello. How are you?
Tired.
Tired?
Since 2 in the morning.
Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. Alright, so these are the items that she concealed into her purse. We watched her select everything and put everything into that purse. Is this her ID?
No, these are my bag. Her purse is out there.
Yeah. So they've been really cooperative. I thought that she was a minor at first, hence why the family's in here. Otherwise, they would have stayed out. But yeah, they've been really, really cooperative.
She's 18.
Yep, just turned 18. Yep. I'll let you talk to her. My printer's broken, so I've got to write the affidavit. I'm sorry.
South Carolina.
Yeah.
Trying to find the daggone. They're just different.
Yeah.
I do like 324 Lake 65 South Carolina deal. Your family.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
She ever been in trouble before?
No. She almost got kicked out of our house by her stepdad for getting a speeding ticket. Like,
Okay.
she has.
Do y'all live here in Florida now?
No,
or?
we're visiting my parents. We're supposed to leave tonight. I'm here meeting my mom for like an early dinner.
Alright. So she's 18. This is family. They live in South Carolina, leaving tonight to go back to South Carolina. She just turned 18. Mom, correct?
Yes.
Alright. Read what we call Miranda warnings. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Having those rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So what
I
happened?
I was just being really dumb. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
everything she asked for, put it in the buggy. Like, we were just trying to get out of my parents' house for a little bit because it's 75 degrees. And they're like, it's freezing in here. Let's go to the store. Get what you want.
Okay. So you concealed them in your purse there?
Yes, ma'am. You can look in my purse. I have nothing.
I'm going to. I'm gonna search you too. So.
I have nothing else. I gave him everything.
Alright. Yeah, let's do it. Do you have anything on your person I need to know about?
No, ma'am. I gave him everything back. I have nothing.
It's fine. I meant more along the lines of any weapons. Drugs,
Oh, no,
anything
ma'am.
like
Never.
that. Okay. Alright, I'll just have you stand right here for me. I'm just gonna put you there. me give phone to mom for now, okay?
Okay.
Your phone.
Yes, ma'am. It's just strapless.
You're fine. I'm just gonna have you face this one. Alright, so you do have to turn around and put
Am
your
I getting
hands.
arrested?
I have to detain you at the moment, okay? You have tiny wrists. I do like 324 like I have female detained. Alright. I'm gonna have a seat here for me.
Am I getting arrested?
So here's the thing. You're not a resident of Florida. So
Here's the moment everything changes. This is what makes this case so compelling. The harsh reality of interstate law enforcement. The officer drops the bombshell. Because she's from South Carolina, there's absolutely no option for a simple citation. No exceptions, no negotiations, no using grandma's local address. Straight to jail. Period. Watch the family's reaction as they realize their daughter's cooperation meant nothing. This is a perfect example of how our legal system can feel unfair. She could live one town over in Florida and walk away with a ticket, but because she's from out of state, she's facing jail time, booking photos, fingerprints, and a permanent record. The officer explains it with genuine sympathy. But the law is the law. Notice how she mentions this could affect the girl's dream of becoming an elementary school teacher. This 30-second shoplifting decision is about to impact her entire career path. What would you do in this situation? Would you try to negotiate, or accept that sometimes the system has no flexibility?
I can't issue her a notice to appear because you live out of state. So she has to go to jail for it.
Can I drive here? I can drive down to go to court.
Unfortunately, no. There's some
Anytime
requirements
you
that
don't
do that.
live in Florida, you have to go to jail for the offense because our notice to appear is for, like if you were a resident here, it'd be different. Then if you don't have any criminal history, we
You
could
go
just,
from here to Jacksonville, I couldn't give you one of those court dates.
yeah, you have to live.
Can we use like my
So-
grandma's address or anything? I'll drive down.
If she has no priors, it's gonna just be a misdemeanor offense. I think it's a $500 bond. If you use a bonds bailsman, you just pay, I think the minimum's $100, so it'd be $100. So you could go literally right up there, she can post her bond and she can get right back out. But she is gonna have a court date, she's gonna have to come back for court, the whole deal. So, you know, if she was still a juvenile, it would have been honestly the same scenario because you don't
How long
live
does she
here,
stay
so-
if I don't come bail her out?
Until she
Until
bonds
she bonds
out.
out or time served, 30
Yeah.
days, 45 days.
So,
I can't, we need it by service now. I can't just limit this to three brothers and the rest of the family. Just did something so freaking stupid.
I mean, if she has family here and they want to bond her out,
Oh,
pick
good.
her
Well,
up,
no,
but
they're gonna disown her after that. They're like heavy church people.
Alright.
They're not even gonna speak.
you're under 21 in the state of Florida, you also cannot vape.
That's not
So-
mine. That's my mom's.
Okay, it's in your possession, so I'm just telling you
Yes, ma'am, I
that
know,
you
but it-
can't have that in the state of Florida until you're 21.
Yes, ma'am, I
Okay,
know.
so it'll go to your mom, but
Yes, ma'am,
you can be issued citation for that, and that's a whole nother. I'm not going to, but just so you're aware, okay?
You have to go to jail. It is a whole process. I work in trauma. I watch these guys take people into me. It takes a long time. You have to.
I would say,
check in.
and I'm not just trying to be rude about it. It's just the simple fact you're not a resident here, so I have to take you. It's, you
We
know,
couldn't like use my
So-
grandma's address or anything to like say that.
you're not a resident. You're a resident of South Carolina, hon. Unfortunately.
So now I need to call grandma to be like, okay, well, this is not gonna reach you because your granddaughter's in jail. For what? For a sunblock that you just put in my damn buggy?
Do you want purse to go to your mom?
Yes, please.
Put your glasses back in here so they don't get lost and messed up.
But you can.
She can't have that. And I'll make sure that goes to you.
Can you please go on my phone and text her? Because I
I have other things for Dr. Sally.
Go ahead. 26. She's gonna be 10:15.
How long is her booking? And
Our jail's
It's-
pretty quick.
Yeah,
just
it's
to pick on
drive
how
time
many people are
there,
there.
and yeah, me typing up the
It's
paperwork
the end
real
of
quick.
the end of the shift, so
could she like follow us there?
I mean she can. She
You
should
can't.
sit
She's
in
still
the
gonna have to
parking lot.
wait until
It's probably gonna be a couple hour process.
I'd say probably about 2 hours because it's gonna take 30 minutes to get there, and then paperwork and then you get there.
Take your picture, your fingerprints.
I'm gonna take this with me. They'll put it in her property, and when she gets out, she'll get her ID back. Okay.
This is gonna kill you.
My password is 8889.
And grandma. We are supposed to be back in 10 minutes, and then I have to go to jail for hours. What do you think? I'm not gonna just let her sit there waiting?
That's a jail address.
Do you have any phone numbers you want her to have?
I know phone numbers better.
Okay, so you're good on that part. Okay. Will you send me a statement when you get it?
You
With
just
the
send her
time I
a
want
link.
to go ahead and.
Yeah, you just send her a link.
Huh?
Send her a link.
Okay.
I'll be that pretty quick.
Yeah, no, I will, but if you can just.
I'll be right back in there.
Whose bag is that?
That's not ours.
Not yours. Okay.
Well, yeah.
Well, let it be a lesson to learn from. We're gonna go all the way down to that next car.
So what all do we have to do?
Basically, I'm gonna take you to the jail. It's in a totally different town from here. It's about 30 minutes away. I'll work on the paperwork. They'll take your picture, fingerprints. Once you're booked in, you'll have the bond set. Mom or someone, if they want to bail you out, can come bail you out. If they choose not to do that, then you're going to have to sit there until.
Is this gonna be like on my record forever?
Will you stand by real
Do
quick
you
so I
know
fix my
if,
seatbelt?
because I'm going to school to get elementary school teacher, it'll like affect my
Probably
career?
not.
Will it affect my career?
I mean, they'll probably ask you about it.
Apparently my seatbelt.
What's the difference between the two?
Felony, you can't own guns, you can't vote, you can't do a lot of things.
What is going on with this?
User
Is
error.
it because it wasn't a certain amount or something?
It's because you're not a resident in the state of Florida.
That's the only reason why.
Can you see if you can get that?
So whenever I get there, can I call people or do I have to wait?
You gotta wait till they book you in.
But then there's they have like payphones in the cell, so
They're
you can.
free and booking.
But they're free in booking, so you can make a call.
Like
for
whenever
free.
I'm waiting to get booked?
No, you. It's harder.
Am I
I'll get the
gonna
air on back here for you,
have-
okay?
It's okay. And whenever I get there, I'm gonna be changed out of my clothes too, and everything changed.
But
They'll change her into like
a jumpsuit
and
and
different
orange
shoes.
Crocs. And you get a Florida ID. Say Lake County Jail.
All right, I'll get the air going for you in just a
I already
second.
turned it
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Send the link before you take off. Yep. Have the email, right?
Yeah.
I'll just send it to you.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Just what I wanted when I'm tired as crap.
This case perfectly illustrates how geography can determine justice in America. What we witnessed was textbook police work. The officer was professional, empathetic, and followed proper procedure throughout. She explained the Miranda rights clearly, conducted a respectful search, and even showed genuine concern for the suspect's future career. The family remained cooperative, and the young woman took full responsibility for her actions, but none of that mattered because of one crucial factor: her zip code. This highlights a significant issue in our justice system. Interstate defendants face harsher immediate consequences regardless of the crime's severity or their cooperation level. The officer had zero discretion here, bound by Florida law that requires out-of-state suspects to be physically detained. This 18-year-old's momentary lapse in judgment at 2 a.m. turned into jail time, fingerprints, a mugshot, and potential career implications, all because she lives in South Carolina instead of Florida. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts about interstate justice disparities in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns that expose how our legal system really works.